Elijah Westbrook is live outside the courtroom with the very latest. Elijah.
That's right. Good afternoon, Mary. Well, today, for starters, we were expecting the jury selection process to take place, but instead, Trump's legal team and prosecutors went back and forth about the evidence that can be presented during this trial. We do want to mention that our own Alice Gaynor, she's inside the courtroom as we speak. She's been sending us updates throughout the morning, telling us what's happening. And we know that at first the judge was asked to step down, but he refused to recuse himself. Also, the judge had stated that he does not want to allow the use of the Access Hollywood tapes. You may remember that from 2016, finding it irrelevant to this case. Now, go ahead and take a look. The morning for the former president consisted of him leaving Trump Tower in Midtown Manhattan, where you see him there getting into the motorcade. This was around 8:45 this morning. That motorcade then brings him down to the courthouse here in Lower Manhattan, where you see Trump get out and enter the building. Now, here's video of Trump inside moments before he spoke to our cameras for a few brief moments.
This is political persecution. This is a persecution like never before. It's an assault on America. And that's why I'm very proud to be here. This is an assault on our country. And it's a country that's failing. This is really an attack on a political opponent. That's all it is. So I'm very honored to be here.
Hey guys,
Okay, and you just heard the former president there moments before walking into the courtroom. This says the president, or former president rather, faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. The charges stem from an investigation by Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, who's accusing him of concealing damaging information and unlawful activity from American voters before and after the 2016 election. This does include a $130,000 hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Of course, a lot going on right now as we speak. Mary, if you want to take us back out here live, we're just in front of the courthouse here in Lower Manhattan, where there's supporters for the former president and those who are against the former president. And you can see a lot of that activity taking place as we speak. But much more on this coming up later on in the day at CBS 2 News at 5. In the meantime, we're live right now from Lower Manhattan. Elijah Westbrook, CBS 2 News.
Yeah, Elijah, I wanted to ask you about the scene out there, giving us an idea of what it looks like, but there is so much noise behind you. I'm sure there's plenty of media coverage, but also, are there crowds that are gathered besides what you were showing us?
Yes, Mary, we were seeing crowds gathering here probably around 7:30 this morning, so they've been here for quite some time. And as I mentioned earlier, you have a mixture of both Trump supporters and those who don't support the former president, all waiting to see what will take place in this trial, one that could take several weeks, if not months.
Elijah Westbrook. Elijah, thank you. And as you can imagine, there is heightened security for this trial. Plenty of police officers, police cars around the courthouse. The NYPD, Secret Service, and the New York State Unified Court System are all coordinating to keep the area safe during the trial. There are also rallies and protests expected throughout today, street closures impacting traffic as well. And as this trial begins, a new poll finds New Yorkers are divided over whether he has done something illegal. According to a Marist poll, 51% say he has done something illegal, 27% say he has done something unethical, 20% say he has done nothing wrong, and 2% are not sure. Stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage on the former president's hush money trial. Our Alice Gaynor is inside the courtroom monitoring it all. We'll have updates throughout the day on air, online, and on our streaming channel, CBS News New York.